Toyota Express Maintenance, the right price, the right quality, right now. Your time is valuable, so when your Toyota or Scion vehicle needs factory-scheduled maintenance or minor repairs, don't let it slow you down. Toyota Express Maintenance is timed to fit your busy schedule. We get you in, get you out, and get you on your way. Quality workmanship, competitive pricing, and fast service. All from the place you trust to do it right, Maplewood Toyota. Toyota Express Maintenance uses only Toyota genuine parts for peak performance and reliability, with all work being performed by our factory-trained technicians. Our pit crew approach ensures quality and speed that's value-based. Toyota Express Maintenance includes oil and filter change, brake inspection, tire rotation, fluids inspected and replenished, and multi-point inspection. Our inspection process gives you a detailed report on your vehicle's performance, giving you peace of mind that your vehicle is in top condition. Quality service without the wait, so you can get in, get out, and get on your way. Hit the road with confidence with Toyota Express Maintenance at Maplewood Toyota. Visit maplewoodtoyota.com to schedule your next appointment.